Hello and welcome to the session. I guess my audio and video is clear. So let me check once. Let me check it.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Alright, so yes, my video and audio is intact, I guess. So we are good to go now. And let's wait for 2 minutes so that the learners can join. The thing is that I might not have shared the link, and that's why people might not have joined. Yeah, of course. And also, I am having classes in the morning hours mainly. So this is an evening scheduled class. So that's why also people might not have joined. All right. Yes, Radhika. Hi. And all of you who are joining in the session, please do like the class and do give it a thumbs up and share it as well. All right. So okay. So I can see your comments on my phone screen basically. All right. Yes. So we are going to deal with MCQs of plants and animal kingdom, and that we are going to deal today. Okay. So let's start the session. And before starting up, I would like to tell you about a very good offer, and that offer is actually regarding loan facilities. We will talk about that offer shortly. This is a little bit about me, right? So in order to get a hold of my personality, the person who I am, you can just have a look at this particular slide, okay, and you can understand that who the person is. And PMIAS 10 is actually my code, so please use that code if you want to avail any kind of subscription on Unacademy's platform, right? So PMIAS 10 is your code. Now also, for those of you who do not know, I also conduct the classes on Unacademy's special live class platform. So there also you can join. There I take full 1 hour sessions. So there also you can join. This will be a short session. This will be an MCQ session. In order to join my classes via Unacademy Learning app, you can just tap on the profile link which is given in the description, or else you can simply type Partho Mishra in the search bar of UPSC CSE category. Cool, everyone. So let's proceed ahead with this, right? So this is basically the funda of my classes, that I try to make people better learners and better thinkers. Okay, I do not try to make them better robots or better crammers. Okay. Now, these were the offers I was talking about. Actually, Unacademy is bringing some wonderful, awesome offers for all of you. Actually, if you avail the 1 year subscription, you will be getting 20 books written by UPSC CSE experts free of cost, right? So if you purchase it from the market, it will cost you around 10,000 bucks. And the offer is actually valid till April 28th. So please avail it. If you avail it through my code PMIAS10, you will get heavy discounts, right? So extra discounts will be given to you. So do not miss the chance and please try to avail the offer, okay? All right. And this is the loan feature, and this is my personal favorite actually. Like the problems regarding money of availing subscription, that has now been eradicated, and you can avail those subscriptions in the form of loans basically. And those loans are also unique because you have to pay 0 processing fees, and also they are charged at 0% interest rate. So that's great, right? Unacademy Combat is a scholarship test basically. It takes place on every Sunday, so you can avail that, right? So this is a very special thing. The date is not 25th April. I'm sorry about it. It takes place on every Sunday, right? So yeah, this Sunday I thought that it has already gone past, so it is 25th April. Okay, it is 25th April, right? And in fact, right, we can avail that by the help of this code, that is PMIAS10. Okay, and there you get a chance to win a scholarship from the pool of 4 crore rupees. All right, and this is the mega subscription. Basically, if you avail the mega subscription offer, what is so unique about it? The uniqueness is that your offer or your subscription is valid. Not offer is valid till April 28th. The subscription will be valid till July 31st, 2022 or prelims 2022, whichever comes later. Okay, all right, so that is itself a unique thing. All right, this is a little bit odd timing to conduct the YouTube session, and that's why people are less in this particular session. So anyway, all right, so new batches have already started from 21st. Next set of new batches are going to start from 28th of April, so please do enroll for them. Every Wednesday we have new batches on Unacademy, so please try to enroll in them, and do not forget my code, that is PMIAS10. all right, so that code has to be remembered. These are our top educators for the UPSC CSE category as concerned. I will also be joining their pool very soon, so please try to avail these offers and please try to get enrolled. Okay, as you can see on your screen, these are the top educators. These are the fee structures. As per your need and as per your budget, you can avail them. But the budget issue has been removed by Unacademy's wonderful loan feature, so please try to avail it. All right, okay. Now this is not the code. You have to use PMIAS10. Okay, PMIAS10 is your code. Please use that code, and you will be getting 10 to 15% of additional discounts by availing via that code. All right, so on that note, let's crack it, guys, with Unacademy. So the first question I'll be putting on, try to answer that and try to answer in comment section. Okay, this is your first question. Basically, read the question carefully and then we will talk about this question a little bit. Those who want explanation related to these MCQs, I'll not go into MCQs because this is I'll not go the explanation part of the MCQs because this is actually an MCQ oriented class. If you want conceptual classes, you can watch the parallel sessions going on the same channel, or you can shuffle through the video playlist. You will find a lesson completely dedicated to this topic. All right, any answer in the comments? Radhika Sharma, are you still there? Okay, so if somebody is watching, there is a glitch. I'm unable to see that how many people are watching and stuff. So Radhika is saying C. All right. In fact, it is D. All right, it is D. All the processes are actually, all of them are correct definition of evolution. Okay, so evolution does not have only one definition. This is a question from class 8 biology or class 9 biology, not more than that. So anyway, it has been a long time. We all have studied about bioscience. It is for me particularly, I've studied a long time ago biology because I loved botany, but I didn't love zoology. All right, okay, so that's it. All of the above. Okay, all right, next question. What is a gene pool? And this is also easy. And thank you, Radhika, for joining in all my YouTube sessions. Thank you so much. Okay, so please try to share the lesson on the Telegram group and other places so that people can also join it. Okay, everyone. So Radhika, you are answering C for this question. That is both A and B. Yes, this time you are correct. Gene pool is total genetic material contained in a population. Of course, it is the stock. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. All right. So it is the stock of different genes in an interbreeding population. That is also correct. So both the options are correct. So both A and B is your correct choice. All right. Now next one. Yeah. Okay, next question is this. All right, what are the two major processes of evolution of species? All right, so what are the two major processes? Migration and adoption. Okay, process of selection, process of isolation, both B and C. So which is the correct answer, by the way? It is option D, by the way. It is option D. Yes, yes, you are correct. Well done, Radhika. Whatever you are having these days, that is really working out for you. You are really answering questions correctly, both on YouTube as well as on the Unacademy learning app. So that's great. That's great. Okay. All right. So, yeah. And for those of you who would be watching the recorded sessions, I am a new educator on Unacademy, and please do watch my lessons on Unacademy learning app, where I conduct free special live classes. Right, so please try to join in them as well. They are longer sessions of 1 hour, and there we deal in absolute clarity of concepts. Okay, all right. So this one is your next question. Yeah. I'm sorry, D is another option. So D is not visible because of the size of the letters, I guess. So D is this one. Okay, so these are your option A, B, C, D. Yeah, thank you. This is a bit tedious question, right? But this can be asked, although the chances are less that this will be asked in your exam, but we should prepare for the worst. So it is actually a question from the biology of class 10 or 9. Yeah. So yes, of course it is D, right? It's not A. It's D, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Okay. Okay. So that's done. That being said, the new learners, welcome to the class, and try to join the class, try to answer the class, try to answer in the class, and try to comment in the comment section. Next one, find out the correct pair. So which one is correct? Some of them you can easily discard. I'll not go into the explanation part, Radhika, in this class, because like I have limitation of time as well. That also I need to take care of, right? So I'll tell you in that like group section where we discuss doubts. All right. Yeah. So all the new learners, all the new joiners of the session, please try to answer A, B, C, or D. In this class, I'll not go into the explanation part because I have paucity of time, and if you want explanation for these kind of MCQs, you can go with the conceptual classes which go on parallelly with these kind of MCQ classes. And those who are new in the class, please try to join for my sessions on Unacademy learning platform, and those sessions are absolutely free of cost, and they actually are quite beneficial, and they are great, I feel. All right, so A has been answered by Radhika Sharma, so A is your correct answer. Well done, Radhika. Whatever you are taking, just keep taking it. It is really working for you, right? And if you wish to share what these days you are smelling or eating, so like that, share that with other learners as well. Okay, all right. The isolation, it plays an important role in the evolution of morphologically different population of species, right? So that is very easy. Now this one, eucalyptus is the dominant species. Now for those of you who might be thinking that why we are discussing bio MCQs in UPSC CSE category, because up to class 10 biology question can also be asked in that exam. Okay, that's why we are discussing all these things. Yeah. Yeah. Eucalyptus is the dominant species of trees in which plant kingdom? Okay. Now, if you have a little bit of idea about geography, you can answer this. But yes, I agree, it is a little bit tedious. to answer. It is a little bit tough to answer. It is actually Australian Kingdom. That is A. Okay, A is your correct choice. A is your answer. Okay, all right. Yeah. So after that we have this one. Cryptophytes. Okay. Okay. All right. Bulbs and tubers which are buried in the soils. Okay. So try to answer this, all of you. Other people in the classroom, other people in the session, please try to answer the questions. Do give a thumbs up to the session and try to share it with other learners as well, so that you can actually get the benefits. Nitish Kumar has said Paleotropical Kingdom. Okay, okay, Nitish. All right. Okay. Radhika has said Boreal. Okay. All right. Any other answer for this? Okay. So it is Cape Kingdom. Okay. The answer is Cape Kingdom. It's neither Paleotropical nor Boreal. Okay, all right. I understand that these questions might be a little bit difficult, but I had to include them because they are a little bit important. You should revise your class 10th biology at least before going to the exam. Okay, this one. Moses, sedges, lichens, and all these things. They are from which kingdom? Any answer for this, guys? अरे नहीं, मैं तारीफ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैंने तो बोला आप जो भी ले रही हो आजकल खाने पीने में लेती रहो उसको, क्योंकि आपके आंसर्स सही हो रहे हैं उससे, है ना? ऑलराइट. Okay, unfortunately this is boreal. It's not Australian. It's boreal. Okay, it's boreal, Radhika. Alright. थोड़ी मात्रा बढ़ाओ, जो भी चीज़ आप ले रही हो आजकल खाने पीने में उसकी थोड़ी मात्रा बढ़नी चाहिए, क्योंकि फिर आंसर्स गलत होने लग रहे हैं जो दिखाई दे रहा है. ठीक है, सो इंक्रीज दैट अमाउंट. ऑलराइट. Okay, so in the special live class platform also your answers are getting correct these days, so that's why I said. Anyway, that was just a joke. Okay, so don't take it seriously. Yeah. All right, so this one, southern beech, that is Nothofagus, is the dominant plant species of which plant kingdom? So it belongs to which plant kingdom? A, B, C, D. That you need to understand, that you need to answer. Basically it is from Antarctic Kingdom, right? I know that these questions are a little bit tedious and a little bit typical, so please bear it, because these things can be asked in your exam, in the prelims exam, to be specific, because from biology some of the questions are asked in this domain as well, although the chances are a little bit less, but they can be asked. Okay, this one is easy. Just by using your common sense you can answer this. Now all of you who are joining in the class, yes, all of you who are joining in the class, please use this code PMIAS10 for any activity on Unacademy learning app, because by using this you will be able to connect with me on a personal level, and also you will be able to get the benefits which are provided by Unacademy's platform. All right. Okay. All right. क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है? क्या क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है नितेश? मुझे तो क्लियरली ही दिख रहा है. on a different device, if I try to look at it on a different device, तो clear ही आ रहा है. आप horizontal landscape mode में डालो. Okay. Yes, hello, Balaram. Hi. Okay, please share this session, and please do give a thumbs up to this session so that maximum number of learners can get benefited. तो इसका आंसर ये है. दिस इज द करेक्ट सीरीज बाय द वे. क्वेश्चन तो दिख रहा है, बाकी लोग तो आंसर कर रहे हैं. नीतीश, आपके इंटरनेट में प्रॉब्लम है, जरा आप रिफ्रेश वगैरह करो, देखो अगर ठीक होता है तो. ठीक है. So this D is your correct answer, right? So yeah, so this comes first, then this one, then fourth one, then third one, then one, and finally two. So that's how the order goes, and that would be the final question for this session. All of you, please check out my sessions on Unacademy learning app. In the description you will get the profile link. Just tap on that profile link, that will guide you to my profile, and there you can witness my sessions absolutely free of cost, because I am taking classes on special live class platform, and those are free of cost, great classes, right? So please do avail that benefit and do get yourself educated. On that note, I would like to wrap this session up. Thank you all for joining, and as always, it was a great session. Thank you so much, guys, and do take care of yourself, and do take care of your family and neighbors and everybody, whosoever you know. Do take care of your enemies as well, because that is very important. All right, and do take care of your haters as well. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So on that note, thank you so much. Bye. Yeah, questions were tough, I can understand. Questions were tough, but I mean, I didn't have a choice, right? Okay. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.